Something that is always present in our day-to-day lives that one may forget about is the nature of the fact that we are on a planet where direction only exists because of the gravity of the planet, and that we are on a floating rock in the solar system within the Milky Way galaxy, within the observable universe, and that our night sky is lit up with billions of stars within our galaxy and the other galaxies of the observable universe. The easiest time to ponder on the complex nature of the reality that we have been born into is at night, when we can see the universe for what it truly is. Even through this observation of the night sky, we only see the stars through many layers of filters. One of the main of those filters being something that most of us experience, and that is light pollution. The difference between a city or a small town and a village in the middle of nowhere compared to a house which is tens of miles away from the nearest town or city is mind-numbingly different when coming to seeing stars. But what is also easy for us to forget is the unseen. When observing the universe, our eyes can only filter through a certain amount of light and see certain amount of distances. This changes, however, when we introduce tools like telescopes into the equation. Purchasing a telescope and observing our galaxy and all of the different stars and celestial objects within the solar system is such a profound experience. Seeing the craters on the moon, the rings of Saturn and Jupiter's red spot, and the moons, as well as Venus and all its glory. Yet still, even after observing all of these different sights, I still find it the best when pointing my telescope into a dark patch of the sky and then looking through my eyepiece only to see countless stars that could not be observed with the naked eye. The experience of observing the night sky and using a telescope is a hobby that I recommend to absolutely everybody. Seeing the wonders of the universe right in front of your eyes and being able to see things more in detail makes for a much more fascinating experience. What also springs into our mind when observing the night sky is that there are billions of galaxies, which each have billions upon billions of stars within them. Out of all of those stars, there has to be at least another planet that may harbour life. We begin to ask more questions when this topic comes to our mind. Are there any advanced alien civilizations? If so, do they know if we exist? Or were they somehow involved in the beginnings of life on this world? Or are we too early in the universe? Or does the Great Filter come into effect? Or are the immense distances of space just too vast to have communication with an alien civilization? All I know is that each and every one of these questions is worth pondering on and could be some of the key to finding out more knowledge about our existence. We already do and will have many amazing minds thinking about all of these questions. So it is really hopeful for the future of the species that we may begin to understand even more about our reality. When I see each star, I remind myself that it is light from a certain amount of light years away, and that the light that I am seeing at this current moment won't reach the planet for a very long time. What has been on my mind recently is the nature of time and how that plays into our perception of reality and how it plays into other potential beings around the universe. Is it possible to ever travel to another galaxy or even just another star system? Or will all of our deepest questions forever remain unanswered? Thank you all for watching. If you really enjoy these kind of videos where I talk about mind-numbingly deep thinking things for just a short amount of time, just to get your mind going so you can go and think about all of these things when observing the night sky or when having conversations with your friends. So if you enjoy these, just hit the like button and drop a comment and let me know what topic you would like me to cover. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest content. I appreciate you all for stopping by. Have a wonderful day and peace out.